7 Best Natural Drinks for Your Kidney Health. Hello everyone. I'm happy to be here with you today to talk about a very important topic, kidney health. Have you ever wondered how to naturally improve your kidney health? You're in the right place because today I'll share the 7 best natural drinks for your kidneys. First, let's understand why kidney health is so important. Our kidneys filter out harmful substances from our bodies. But how can we help these hardworking organs stay healthy? The answer lies in the drinks we choose. Many of us stay hydrated, but often with drinks full of hidden sugars like juice, sweet tea, or soda. These can increase our risk of obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, which can lead to kidney disease. So, what can we drink instead to help our kidneys? That's what we'll answer today. But there's more. In this video, you'll not only learn about these great drinks, but also the science behind them. You'll see how they support kidney health and how you can add them to your daily routine easily. Let's get started. 1. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in citrate, which helps prevent kidney stones, especially calcium oxalate stones. Citrate in lemon juice binds to calcium in urine, reducing stone formation. This was confirmed in a 2007 study by the Journal of Urology. Even though lemon juice tastes acidic, it has an alkalizing effect in the body. This helps maintain a healthy urinary pH level, which is important for preventing kidney stones. A 2009 study in the British Journal of Urology International showed that lemon juice can raise urinary pH levels and reduce the risk of uric acid stones. Lemon juice also contains lots of vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant. Antioxidants protect kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. A 2005 study in Free Radical Biology in Medicine highlighted that vitamin C in lemon juice can reduce oxidative stress. Lemon juice has antioxidants and can act as a mild diuretic, helping you to produce more urine when consumed in moderation. This helps to flush out waste and reduce fluid retention. Chronic inflammation can harm your kidneys. Lemon juice has compounds called flavonoids that fight inflammation, which may protect your kidneys from damage. To start your day, mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 500 milliliters of water. Drink this on an empty stomach. This drink contains acetic acid from apple cider vinegar, citric acid from lemon juice, and vitamin C, which can help cleanse your kidneys. 2. Black coffee. Black coffee is rich in antioxidants, like chlorogenic acid, which help reduce body stress. Research, like a 2014 study in Journal of Nutrition, shows black coffee's strong antioxidant benefits. Caffeine in black coffee improves blood flow, providing kidneys with essential oxygen and nutrients for optimal function. Its mild diuretic effect helps remove extra sodium and waste from the body, which can prevent fluid retention. Drinking coffee moderately is important to avoid dehydration. Moderate coffee drinking may also lower the risk of kidney stones, as seen in a 2017 study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology. This is possibly due to more urine output and less calcium oxalate crystal formation. Some studies, like one in the 2019 Journal of Nephrology, suggest caffeine might help reduce symptoms of kidney disease, like fatigue. But caution is necessary. Too much coffee can cause dehydration, high blood pressure, sleep problems, and digestive issues. Watching caffeine intake and staying hydrated is important for kidney health. 3. Green tea. Green tea is rich in polyphenols and contains many antioxidants, including catechins. These antioxidants help fight oxidative stress, which can harm the kidneys because they are always filtering waste. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, green tea can protect the kidneys from damage. Scientists have studied how green tea affects kidney health and found some important benefits. One major benefit is that green tea can help regulate blood pressure thanks to its catechins. Since high blood pressure is a risk factor for kidney disease, green tea can help lower this risk. Additionally, green tea has anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can damage the kidneys, but green tea compounds can reduce this inflammation, providing further protection. The antioxidants in green tea also protect kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Because of these benefits, green tea may help maintain kidney health and prevent kidney diseases. Green tea can help manage diabetes, which is important because type 2 diabetes can lead to kidney disease. Green tea improves insulin sensitivity and controls blood sugar, potentially lowering the risk of diabetic kidney complications. Animal studies also show that green tea can reduce kidney fibrosis, a common issue in chronic kidney disease. These anti-fibrotic effects might slow down kidney damage. Want to know how to brew the best green tea? Here's a simple method. 1. Use high-quality loose-leaf green tea, not tea bags, to get the full benefits. 2. Pour non-boiling water over the tea leaves and let it steep for about 10 seconds. Then discard this water. This removes some initial compounds and ensures a pure taste. 3. Pour hot, but not boiling, water over the tea leaves and let it steep for 1 or 2 minutes. This allows the tea to fully open up, releasing its full nutritional benefits. If you only have tea bags, you can still enjoy green tea's benefits for your kidney health. Try this method and notice the difference. 4. Beet juice. Beet juice is famous for its high nitrate content, helping kidney health. When you drink beet juice, the nitrates turn into nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and can lower blood pressure. A 2008 study in the Hypertension Journal found that dietary nitrates, like those in beet juice, significantly lower blood pressure. Beets are also rich in antioxidants like betalains and vitamin C. These help fight oxidative stress and inflammation, which are important for healthy kidneys. A 2001 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showed that beet extracts have strong antioxidant properties. Beets may also help prevent kidney stones. A 2013 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that beetroot extract reduced the formation of calcium oxalate crystals, which are common in kidney stones. However, you should be careful not to drink too much beet juice, especially if you already have kidney problems. Excessive nitrate intake can negatively affect kidney function, as some studies have shown. 5. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is a great drink that can help keep your kidneys healthy. It has many antioxidants, especially proanthocyanidins, which reduce inflammation. This helps protect your kidneys from damage. A study in the Journal of Nutrition in 2013 showed that drinking cranberry juice lowered inflammation markers in people with chronic kidney disease. Cranberry juice is also well known for preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs. Proanthocyanidins in cranberries stop bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract, reducing the chance of infections. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2016 found that cranberry products, including juice, can lower the risk of repeated UTIs, which benefits kidney health. Cranberry juice also offers strong antioxidant protection. Oxidative stress can harm kidney cells and lead to diseases. A review in Advances in Nutrition in 2019 highlighted that cranberry polyphenols can reduce oxidative stress and improve kidney function. Additionally, for people at risk of kidney disease due to high blood pressure, cranberry juice may offer some support. In 2015, studies in the Journal of Nutrition suggested that cranberry juice might help lower blood pressure a bit, which is good for kidney health, especially for people with high blood pressure. Also, cranberry juice may help stop certain kidney stones from forming, like calcium oxalate stones, which are common. The compounds in cranberry juice can prevent calcium oxalate from crystallizing in urine, which might reduce the chance of stones forming. 6. Seltzer water. Seltzer water, also called carbonated or sparkling water, can be a great part of a kidney-friendly diet. It has several benefits that help keep your kidneys healthy. Firstly, seltzer water helps you stay hydrated without the added sugars or artificial substances found in many drinks. This is good for keeping your kidneys working well, especially if you're watching your sugar intake. Another benefit is that seltzer water is usually low in sodium. This is essential because too much sodium can lead to high blood pressure and damage your kidneys. By drinking seltzer water, you can avoid this risk. Additionally, seltzer water might help prevent kidney stones. Some studies suggest that the carbonation can increase urine flow. This helps flush out minerals that could form kidney stones, which is particularly helpful for people prone to this condition. Seltzer water is also a refreshing and enjoyable way to stay hydrated. Its bubbly nature and slight acidity can make you want to drink more, which is crucial for keeping your kidneys healthy. Lastly, you can easily change the flavor of seltzer water to suit your taste. Adding a little lemon or lime not only enhances the flavor but also keeps it healthy for your kidneys. These citrus fruits add some vitamin C, which is good for your overall kidney health. In summary, seltzer water is a healthy, hydrating, and versatile drink that supports kidney health. 7. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is often touted for its various health benefits, including potential support for kidney health. Ginger contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds called gingerols and shogols. Chronic inflammation can contribute to kidney disease, so consuming ginger tea may help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, potentially slowing the progression of kidney-related conditions. Ginger is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress, a condition that occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. Oxidative stress is a known contributor to kidney damage. Regular consumption of ginger tea can help neutralize free radicals and protect kidney cells from damage. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for kidney disease. Ginger has natural blood pressure-lowering properties. It helps in the relaxation of blood vessels and improves blood circulation, which can alleviate the stress on the kidneys from high blood pressure. Ginger tea acts as a natural diuretic, which means it can help the body expel more urine. This is beneficial for keeping the kidneys active and flushed out, lowering the risk of stone formation and potentially helping to clear small stones or prevent them from forming. High blood sugar levels can damage the kidneys over time. Ginger has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk for kidney damage due to high glucose levels. The antibacterial properties of ginger can help in preventing infections that could affect the kidneys. By drinking ginger tea, you may reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, which can ascend to the kidneys and cause further complications. Ginger can stimulate digestion and improve liver function, which helps in detoxifying the body. A well-functioning liver eases the burden on the kidneys, as these organs work together to eliminate toxins. While ginger tea has many benefits, it's crucial to consume it in moderation, especially if you have existing kidney issues or are on medication that affects kidney function. Excessive consumption of ginger can interfere with blood-thinning medications and may have adverse effects in large amounts. Have you picked any of the drinks mentioned above? Please share your journey and experiences with us. We want to listen, learn, and improve kidney health together. Your comments can inspire and inform others in the community. Together we can create a healthier future for everyone. Please leave your story in the comments below. Thank you for helping build a kidney health conscious community. See you in the next video.